Hi everyone, Jack from Maths Forge here. In today's lesson, we're going to be doing decimal subtraction. So let's get started with a one-star example. We've got 8.8 subtract 7.5. Notice how I place the units over the units and the tenths over the tenths. Let's rule off. Okay, so also don't forget that the number to the left goes on top of this column method and the number to the right goes at the bottom. It has to be in this way. So let's do the first calculation. We're starting from the right. 8 minus 5 is 3. We have a decimal point. 8 minus 7 is 1. So our answer should be 1.3. Let's check it. There it is. Let's do a two-star example. We have 6.3 minus 1.9. So then that's going to be 3 minus 9, which we cannot do because we'll end up with a negative number, and negative numbers don't really work well in the column method. So 3 minus 9 we can't do, so I'm going to go to the left of this 3, to this 6, I'm going to cross it out, take a 1, and then the 6 will be reduced to 5. Now this 1, because it was taken from a column 10 times higher, ends up acting like a 10, so this becomes 13. So 13 minus 9 is 4. Decimal point. 5 minus 1 is also 4. So our answer is 4.4. Let's check it. That's correct. There it is. Let's do a three-star example. So we have 14.6 minus 5.67. Now, since the 5 doesn't have any number in the tens column, I'm just going to start writing it from here. 5.67. Okay. Let's rule off. Always put your minus symbol to the left of all of the numbers. Okay, so let's start from the right. Nothing minus 7. Okay, we can't really do nothing minus 7. So I'm going to put a 0 here as a placeholder. Because there's nothing there, so I'm just going to write 0. 0 minus 7, we can't do. So I'm going to go to the left of the 0, take 1 away from this 6 and place it here. Now the 6 has been reduced to a 5. So now the 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. Now we do the next calculation. 5 minus 6, which we cannot do because it will leave us with a negative number. So since I can't do 5 minus 6, I'm going to take 1 off of this 4 to the left of it, place it on this 5, and now the 4 has been reduced to a 3. So now this 5 becomes a 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. Then we have a decimal point. Now we do 3 minus 5. Again, we cannot do. So I'm going to go to the 1 here, take 1 from it, and then it's been reduced to a 0. And now the 3 has been increased to a 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. And of course, 0 minus nothing is just 0. You don't really need to write it here. So our answer should be 8.93. Let's check it. There it is. And that's it for decimal subtraction. Just be careful where you place your numbers, the tens over the tens, units over the units, tenths over the tenths, and the decimal point stays where it is.